guys, I'm MICHAELJOSH, and you're watching GadgetMatch, a channel where, at least in my head, technology meets fashion. We've done a few of those videos. You might remember our Apple Watch Hermes edition and the Louis Vuitton earbuds. If you read the title of this video or picked up some clues from the shirt that I'm wearing, this video will feature Japanese streetwear brand BAPE. Now, over the years, BAPE has collabed with many popular brands, including Coca-Cola, Disney, but this is their first ever collab with a tech company. In this video, we'll unbox the Vivobook S15 OLED BAPE Edition. Now, I don't know what's inside this box, so we're going to find out together. Notice on the front of the box you have the Bathing Ape logo. There's Baby Milo. On the box is the famous CAMO design that BAPE is known for. You also have the words ASUS Vivobook built into that CAMO design. Now that's just the outer box. The actual box is inside. Maybe I should bring the box down and then pull it back up. Okay. Look at that. Okay, so you have the nice green camo. This is definitely the color to go with. I love that the handle of the box is cardboard, so they didn't use plastic in the packaging. It looks like there's also something in here, which feels like a laptop sleeve with the same design. Actually, my t-shirt features that Bathing Ape camo, and I think this is a special design for this collab. Let's peel this off right now. We have, as you'll find in the Bathing Ape camo design, the ape logo is hidden, but there are other characters as well, including Baby Milo, who is most likely using a ASUS Vivobook. There's also the ASUS Vivobook logo. There's even a tag over here so that you know that this is official Bathing Ape merchandise. I'm not sure which way this opens. I have a feeling it opens this way. Let's see if I'm correct. Look at that. What does it say? It says ASUS Vivobook, a Bathing Ape. And inside, I can see the laptop, and there is a figurine of Baby Milo. We'll take a closer look at all of these next. All right, let's take this guy out to see if there's something else inside. You've got a power brick. Oh, wow. There's even more. This has some stuff in it too. User guide and warranty card, some ASUS Vivobook Bathing Ape stickers, and some matching ASUS Vivobook stickers for the keycaps of the laptop. There's also something in here. What is this? Ah, it's the ASUS Marshmallow Mouse, most likely in theme as well. The special edition BAPE ASUS Vivobook comes in two colors. This one right here is Midnight Black. It also comes in cool silver. Peel off this reflective plastic. There you go. Ooh, look at that. Notice that the special edition camo design is photo light etched on the top cover, and over here on the left-hand side, there's a reflective logo tab that says ASUS Vivobook, a Bathing Ape. And on the back, you'll notice there's a bright strip of orange, which is one side of the legs that prop the laptop at an angle. Okay, so let's open it up. Surely there are more details inside. Aha, look at that. Okay, let's go over some of the details. The escape key features that same bright neon orange that we saw on the feet. The trackpad is hard to miss. It has that same custom camo design. The enter key has a striped pattern, which, if I'm not mistaken, also has made an appearance on older Vivobooks. And last but not the least, on the bottom right-hand side, you'll find the BAPE logo, as well as Baby Milo peeking from behind. Next up is the Marshmallow Mouse. Let's see. Ta-da! There's a pretty extensive user manual, all wrapped up. you go. What's in here? Is this a cap for the mouse? Wait a minute. Look at that! You can remove them and replace them. Oh, that's pretty cool. So you can either choose between the green camo, or if you'd like, the black camo, which matches the top of the laptop. I think I'm gonna go with black. I think this might be the most fun part. Let's now take a look at the baby Milo figurine. That was satisfying. Okay, open it up. I'm really excited for this. Pull baby Milo out. Does Milo have a ASUS Vivobook? Does. Oh, look at that. He does have his own Vivobook. It has the logo over there, keypad over here. Let's get Milo out. Okay, pretty nice and heavy, feels solid. It goes like this. Oh, look at that, he's using his Vivobook. Oh, that's so cute. I think I need a photo side by side with Milo doing the same thing. Fun fact, I was born in the year of the monkey, so I am not giving this back. Thank you, ASUS. If you're unfamiliar, A Bathing Ape is a super famous streetwear company which was founded in Japan. It's actually Pharrell Williams who brought it to the US, and it's been seen worn by many famous rappers and musicians. BAPE is short for A Bathing Ape, which was inspired by the movie Planet of the Apes. It's also referencing a Japanese proverb that talks about bathing in lukewarm water, which is kind of a commentary on the youth who are lazy and complacent but still indulge in the good life. This limited exclusive bundle goes for $1,099 for the i5 model and $1,299 for the i9 model, which for a collector's edition laptop plus all of these goodies is a good buy. If you actually did the math and buy the same model, the Vivobook K5504, and add the cost of all of these accessories, you'll find that the bundle is about $100 cheaper each time. If you get the cool silver model, the carry bag, the wallpaper, the mouse cover, and the stickers all feature the special edition camo, but in blue, which, if you go on the website, are two of the most popular colors when picking up something like a t-shirt. All right, now it's time to power it on. Look at that! The wallpaper also features that special edition camo design. So I'm torn if I wanna stick these stickers on the keys or not. Maybe we can do one? Okay, you know what? Just for fun, let's do one. Let's do the space bar because it comes in that little camo print as well. And if you've ever seen me build Lego, you'll know this is one thing that I'm not very good at. Look at that. It's cute. By the way, there's an extra set of stickers for the alternate keys if you buy your laptop in Japan and the UK. Should we do one more? No, I think we're gonna practice restraint, leave this there, and here's a picture of what it looks like if you use all the stickers. Let's talk about some specs. This is the Vivobook S15 OLED BAPE Edition. It's powered by up to an Intel Core i9 processor, up to 16 gigabytes of LPDDR5 memory, and up to 1 terabyte of solid-state storage. It features a 15.6-inch 2.8K 120Hz display. The screen is both VESA certified and Pantone validated. Sound is by Harman Kardon with support for Dolby Atmos. It comes with a full HD webcam, and if you're worried about your privacy, a webcam shield. a 75-watt battery. The machine is thin and light, measuring 17.9 millimeters thin and weighing 1.6 kilos. Let's talk about ports. On the left, there's a USB-A port. On the right-hand side, there's a dedicated power port, full-sized HDMI, another USB-A port, Thunderbolt 4, and a headphone jack. By the way, I just realized this isn't just a laptop sleeve. It actually has handles. So it's like a compact laptop carrying case. You can zip it all the way open. Because we have the green one, it's green on the inside. There's space for the laptop right here. And then we can seal it shut. You have the BAPE logo. And then on the other side, there are pockets. So over here, put in our power adapter. The mouse can go here. And can my baby go in here? No. He can go here. Like a permanent fixture in our backdrop. What do you think? So you have extra space for any other thing you might want to carry. And over here on the side, there's also space for 2 pens. And then we just zip it shut. There's also the BAPE logo here on the zippers. Oh, that's an adorable bag. You know what? This is really cute. Love it. And now you can take it anywhere you go. And that was our unboxing of the ASUS Vivobook S15 OLED BAPE Edition. We'd like to thank ASUS for partnering with us on this video and for making this epic collab happen. If you'd like to see more epic collabs and the intersection between tech and fashion, make sure you're subscribed to this YouTube channel and hit that bell icon so that you get notified as soon as we post new videos. Follow me on social media for all the behind the scenes fun stuff, and for news and updates, make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit. Until the next video, I'm MICHAELJOSH. Thanks for dropping by.